Hi everyone, happy Halloween. This is the last day of my Advent opening. Sorry it's been a few days, but let's go ahead and finish it up. So I'm going to start with my Halloween stitch markers. Let's get these open. Alright, so I got for the first stitch marker. Let's see. There it is. Ooh, I like that. That is a haunted house. That's cool. So there's one. And let's get this other one out. Oh, this is so cool. It is another haunted house, but it looks completely different. So that's cool. Look, that's super cool. So those are the Halloween ones. And now let's go on to the scary movie ones. Alright. Get them open. Okay, so we have got the skulls. Creepy. That's cool. And then we've got one more. This is the last stitch marker one. Oh, this is super cool. You know, I love that. I loves it. It's a giant I'm watching you. So those are the last of the stitch markers. Now on to the Hearts on Fiber. And these, we're going to get these ones done. Okay. This one feels like yarn. Oh, that's a beautiful color. I will hold up the other ones at the end and we'll look at them all together. So there's a real pretty one. Let me get all this tissue paper picked up. Go. Hang on. There we go. Get all my tissue paper picked up because it's a messy. Okay. And now we are on to, ooh, a jingly one. I don't know what it is. Feels weird. Oh, it's in. Make sure we get everything out of the box. There we go. And it's in tissue. Oh. Okay. There it is. I'm going to get my glasses so I can read about it. There it is. It's actually rather pretty. What does it say? This is a spell jar. I created this spell jar especially for you. Filled with crystal stones, herbs, and dried flowers, and sealed with wax. I made each one with love and intention for your greater good. Whether you are experiencing challenging events or need a pick-me-up, hold the jar close and know you are loved. A spell jar is a magical tool used in various spiritual and medical physical practices to manifest intentions, protect against negativity, to attract positive energies. And it is a small container filled with carefully selected items that symbolize a specific intention or goal. So you can see it's filled with a bunch of stuff. Look at that. That's kind of cool. And it is sealed with wax. That's cool. Okay. So we've got that. And the little waxy bits that were coming off of it. Put them over there. Alrighty. And now we are on to number 18. And let's see what's in this one. This one is squishy. And here it is. Ooh, that's pretty. That's very, very pretty. I likes that. So These are the two I just pulled out. And then the last one come in a bag. Oh, gotta untie it. Alright. Oh, last one's a big one. Oh, how pretty is that? That's very pretty. Oh, I like that. That is a stubby that you get from Hearts on Fiber. There's the stubby. So let's get all these minis. All of these minis. There's tons of them now. Oh my gosh. So let's put all these over here. Okay. It's so hard to hold them all. So we've got all these minis and the stubby. That is a lot of yarn that come in that box. How beautiful is all that? I have no idea what I'm going to make. But whatever it is, it's going to be pretty and colorful. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching me open my Halloween Advents. I know I've enjoyed doing it myself. So it's been a lot of fun. Anyway, in the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning, and happy Halloween. Bye now.